Hey guys, today I will show you how to fix a black screen in OBS. There are several different ways to do it, and some may work for you and some may not. The first way to do it is quite simple. You just need to create several scenes. To do it, just like click right mouse button, add, and just add a scene. I have two scenes here. And to sources, it's like screen capture and screen capture here. So everything screen capture, pretty easy. Then just switch between your sources. Do it several times, and it should fix itself up. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It depends on like random chance, I guess. Oh, it fixes itself up. So if it didn't work for you, you can also try to switch on and off this eye icon on sources. Basically do it. Well, let's like imagine that it is a black screen, and if you will do it here and like switch to the other scene and do it on the other source, maybe it will fix itself up. So the second way is a bit more complicated. You need to open your file explorer. Click with your right mouse button on my computer, go to settings, and there you will find a system type. You need to have the same system type as your OBS. So basically, if you're running 64-bit system, you need to have 64-bit OBS and vice versa, of course. To check your version of OBS, well, you just when you running your OBS, you will most definitely have it named 64-bit OBS Studio, or just check it in the settings of your OBS executive file, which you will find in folder where you installed your OBS. As for the third method, it may be that you are not recording your screen, but you are actually capturing your Google Chrome window, for example. And to capture it correctly without a black screen, you may use this method. Basically, you need to open your Google Chrome, then you need to go to your settings, and in your settings you are going below to advanced settings, and you need to find let me see, it is called hardware acceleration. You need to disable this setting. You will probably need to restart your browser, and it will fix your black screen if you're recording your window but not your screen. Okay, the last but not least is compatibility mode in Windows. Sometimes OBS just doesn't want to work in Windows 10, or maybe it has some issues with your pirated software, like pirated Windows or whatever. You can also try this method. You just go to the folder when your OBS is installed, and you need to find an executive file. For me, it will be in the folder bin 64-bit, and here's this executive file. Just click right mouse button on it, go to properties, and go to compatibility tab, and there you will have this setting. Just click here, and you need to run this program in compatibility mode with Windows 8 or Windows 7. I would recommend Windows 7. Just try it out and maybe it will work for you. Okay guys, that is basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. My friends definitely did. I know that it worked for them, for at least like 3 or 4 people. But of course there may be issues with your specific system, specific hardware or Windows version. As I told you before, you can have pirated software, maybe that is causing the issues, or you are running, for example, something like Windows XP. So there are a lot of different situations. If you have other methods, just post them in the comments and we'll try to fix it together. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like. If you didn't, dislike, up to you. Subscribe for more similar content in the future, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.